Google Anti-Gravity, build and automate anything free. Today I'm going to show you how to build apps without coding. This thing is brand new. It's so easy a kid could do it. You can automate your entire business. No more paying developers thousands. Watch me build real apps in minutes. All right, so Google just dropped something insane. It's called anti-gravity. And I'm not even joking when I say this changes everything for business owners. You can now build actual apps without writing a single line of code. And I'm talking real apps, not some basic template garbage. I'm talking custom tools that run your business. Here's what nobody is telling you. Most people think you need to hire a developer to build an app, or you need to learn coding for 6 months. Both are wrong. Anti-Gravity does it for you in minutes, and I'm going to prove it to you right now. So, what is Anti-Gravity? It's Google's new AI tool that builds apps from scratch. You tell it what you want, it builds it. That's it. No complicated setup, no technical knowledge needed, just plain English. You type what you need, it creates the whole thing. Hey, if we haven't met already, Anti-Gravity has two modes, fast mode and planning mode. And understanding when to use each one is going to save you hours of time. Let me break this down. Fast mode is for when you need something done quick. You have a simple task, you need execution, no overthinking, just build it and ship it. This mode is punchy, it's functional, it delivers at high speed. Think of it like ordering fast food. You know what you want, you get it fast, done. Planning mode is different. This is for when you need something more complex. When you're building custom systems with deep logic, when you need the AI to think through every step, plan it out, verify it works, this mode takes longer, but you get something way more sophisticated. Think of it like a custom meal at a restaurant. It takes more time, but it's exactly what you ordered. Now let me show you what this actually looks like in practice. I'm going to walk you through building a habit tracker, because here's the thing, a habit tracker is perfect for business owners. You need to track your daily tasks, your client outreach, your content creation, whatever habits drive your business forward. And I'm going to build two versions, one in fast mode, one in planning mode, so you can see the difference and decide which one you need for your business. Let's start with fast mode. I'm going to tell Anti-Gravity to build a habit tracker for the AI Profit Boardroom, something that helps our members track their daily AI automation tasks, because that's what moves the needle. You don't improve what you don't measure. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. Type this into Anti-Gravity. Build me a habit tracker app that tracks daily AI automation tasks for my community members. Include options for tasks like creating AI workflows, testing new AI tools, and implementing automation in their business. Make it simple and easy to use. And boom, Anti-Gravity starts building in fast mode. It doesn't show you the whole planning process. It just executes. You see the app being built in real time. The interface appears, the buttons work, the tracking system functions. Everything just works. Within a few minutes, I have a working habit tracker. It has a clean interface. I can add new habits, check them off each day, see my streak, track my progress over time. All the core features you need. No fluff, just function. This is perfect for quick wins when you need a tool today, not next week, not next month, today. Fast mode delivers. But now let's talk about planning mode. This is where things get really powerful, because planning mode doesn't just build, it thinks, it plans, it verifies. When you use planning mode, Anti-Gravity starts by reasoning through your request. It breaks down what you're asking for. It creates an implementation plan. It shows you that plan before it builds anything, so you can see exactly what it's going to create. This is huge for complex projects. Let's say I want to build a habit tracker that integrates with our AI Profit Boardroom community, one that sends notifications, tracks team progress, creates reports, syncs with other tools. That's not a simple app anymore. That needs planning. So I give Anti-Gravity a more detailed prompt. Build me an advanced habit tracker for the AI Profit Boardroom that tracks individual and team habits, sends daily reminders, creates weekly progress reports, and includes a leaderboard to motivate community members. Make it scalable so we can add more features later. Now, watch what happens in planning mode. First, Anti-Gravity shows me its reasoning. It says, okay, this needs a database for storing habits. It needs a notification system. It needs a reporting engine. It needs user authentication, so each member has their own account. It needs a leaderboard that updates in real time. Then it creates an implementation plan. Step 1, build the user interface. Step 2, create the database structure. Step 3, implement the habit tracking logic. Step 4, add the notification system. Step 5, build the reporting feature. Step 6, create the leaderboard. Step 7, test everything and verify it works. And here's the key. I can review this plan before it builds anything. If I want to change something, I can. If I want to add a feature, I can. If I want to remove something, I can. This is the power of planning mode. Then Anti-Gravity builds it step by step, following the plan. And because it planned everything out, the final product is way more robust. It's not just functional, it's scalable, it's ready to grow with your business. So, which mode should you use? Here's my take. Use fast mode when you need something simple and you need it now. A quick tool to solve an immediate problem. Use planning mode when you're building something that matters long term. Something you'll use every day, something you might need to expand later. For the AI Profit Boardroom, we use both. Fast mode for quick internal tools, planning mode for member facing apps. Both have their place. Now, here's where this gets really exciting for your business. Think about all the custom tools you wish you had: a client intake form, a project tracker, a content calendar, a lead scoring system, a customer feedback tracker, whatever your business needs. With Anti-Gravity, you can build all of it. No developers needed, no coding courses, just you and AI building exactly what you need. Let me give you a real example. Let's say you run a service business. You need a better way to track client projects. You need to see what stage each project is in, who's working on it, when it's due, what's blocking progress. You could spend 20 minutes in anti-gravity, tell it exactly what you need. Watch it build a custom project tracker that fits your business perfectly. And if you need to change something later, just tell anti-gravity, add a new field, change a color, add a new feature. It updates it instantly. Try doing that with a traditional developer. You're looking at weeks of back and forth. With anti-gravity, it's done in minutes. This is why I'm so bullish on AI automation. It removes the bottlenecks. You don't need to wait. You don't need to spend thousands. You don't need technical skills. You just need to know what you want, and anti-gravity builds it. Now, let me show you how to actually use this for the AI Profit Boardroom, because everything I teach, I use in my own business first. Here's what we're building right now. We're creating a custom onboarding app for new members. When someone joins the AI Profit Boardroom, they go through this app. It asks them about their business, what they want to automate, what their biggest challenges are. Then it creates a custom automation roadmap for them. This used to require a whole team, someone to collect the info, someone to analyze it, someone to create the roadmap. Now, Anti-Gravity does it all. The new member fills out the form, the AI analyzes their answers, it generates a personalized roadmap, completely automated. And we built this in planning mode because we needed it to be smart. We needed it to handle complex logic. Different business types get different recommendations. Different experience levels get different starting points. This required thorough planning, and Anti-Gravity nailed it. But we also use fast mode for simpler tools. We needed a quick way to track which AI tools our members are testing. So we told Anti-Gravity to build a simple tracker, input the tool name, rate it, add notes, done. This took 5 minutes in fast mode. Both modes serve a purpose. Fast mode for speed, planning mode for sophistication. Use them strategically. Here's another huge benefit nobody talks about: iteration speed. When you build with traditional development, changes take forever. You have to explain what you want, wait for the developer to understand, wait for them to code it, test it, find bugs, fix bugs. It's a whole process. With anti-gravity, iteration is instant. You see something you want to change, tell it. It updates immediately. You can test ideas in real time, try different approaches, see what works. This is game changing for business owners. I can test 10 different versions of a tool in the time it used to take to build one. That means I find the best solution faster, I can optimize quicker, I can serve our AI Profit Boardroom members better. And here's what really matters: your business moves faster. You're not waiting on developers, you're not stuck with tools that almost work. You're building exactly what you need, exactly when you need it. Let me give you the framework I use. First, identify a repetitive task in your business, something you or your team does manually, something that takes time but doesn't require much thinking. Second, describe that task to anti-gravity in plain English. Be specific about what you want it to do. Third, choose your mode. Fast if it's simple, planning if it's complex. Fourth, let it build. Fifth, test it. Sixth, iterate based on what you learn. This framework works for any business. Doesn't matter if you're in services, e-commerce, content, coaching, whatever. The process is the same. Find the task, describe it, build it, use it. For the AI Profit Boardroom, we've built dozens of tools this way: a content idea generator that pulls from industry news, a client testimonial organizer that categorizes feedback, a task prioritizer that ranks to-dos by impact, all built with anti-gravity, all saving us hours every week. And this is just the beginning. Because anti-gravity keeps getting better, Google is updating it, constantly adding new features, making it smarter, making it faster. This is the future of business automation.